Welcome to Gravitational Orbits Meditation Series. Life-changing motivational readings that produce quantum realities in the form of the law of attraction. We hope today's readings will manifest vibrational changes in your lives forever. Today's guidance: magnetic attraction. We once were captivated by our own beauty. Growing up as a child, we possessed the unlimited power of believing in ourselves. But as we grow older, our minds and hearts are filled with unrealistic expectations of what beauty really is. Beauty holds a golden mirror to the shimmering inner essence of your soul. It reflects back to you the true self-perception of oneself, as well as one's discipline towards this magnificent perception. Being attractive or handsome often comes with a sense of power and sometimes envy. One of the most telling stories of the search and fulfillment of beauty came about in the form of the king of pop, the late Michael Jackson. Michael's constant search to reinvent himself left him torn, battered and scarred for life. Beauty as we know it is only skin deep, fading over time. It's the one thing that humanity strives daily to hold on to. Yet for many, it becomes likened to the search for the Holy Grail. It's the essence of beauty that allows us to manage and provide sensitivity to those around us, and captivates them with the aura stone that beholds beauty. Just as we take care of other things in our lives to provide eye-catching glimpses to passers-by, we should keep our bodies as healthy as possible to offer delightful icons that are worthy of emulation. Is beauty really only skin deep? There is a strong belief that beauty is only a trivial moment in time. It is, unfortunately for some in civilized society, a prerequisite and requirement. Imagine everyone abandoning restraint and going about in torn clothing, bare bellies, disheveled hair, no makeup or cologne, fingers and toenails unkempt and no brushing of teeth. No one would be happy, especially those in the beauty care industry. People who shun beauty as superficial are probably too lazy to take care of themselves and discipline enough to maintain some form of hygiene. Are only models beautiful? Beautiful people are not necessarily supermodels with Greek god faces and unreal Photoshop proportions. That is a myth promulgated by the beauty industry, selling all manner of goods such as creams and dangerous enhancements such as implants. Real beauty lies within the core of your soul, always waiting to emulate through either acts of kindness and gestures of love and faith towards humanity. Time magazine did an article on Mother Teresa. The reporter started with this one statement that amazed all of us: "I just want to say you are the most beautiful person I have ever met." Mind you, this was later in life, as her notoriety became prominent in the circles of humanity. Why do I tell you this story? Well, it's a telling tale of how beauty lies squarely in the eyes of the beholder. That's where we really become beautiful to those who love us and care for us. Beautiful people are often than not just normal people who watch their diet, keep their bodies clean, and don tasteful, yet inexpensive clothing. They maintain an empowered lifestyle, and indulge in mind-expanding books and engage in varied activities that enriches their awareness. Beauty, more importantly, is the internal flame that burns brightly within each and every one of us. This attractive personality are often assertive, have strong opinions and often fight for their convictions. These and many other traits often draw people towards them and makes them magnetically vibrant and powerful. Whether handsome or pretty, plain or different, the internal beautiful aura that each of us already possess can portray intelligence and humor, wittiness, self-respect, iconoclasts, diligence and many more traits that reflect their personality and makes them attractive and beautiful. Remember that your beauty personality is reflected in the way you carry yourself and the portrait you wish to present to the world at large. Finally, remember that beauty is a holistic mindset. Magnetic people take effort to be the best that they can be at all times. They understand that they are temporal cosmic beings of body, soul, and spirit, and continually find ways to build up each facet of their lives by magnifying their talents and passions. They may have ordinary faces but lead extraordinary lives and thereby are often referred to as beautiful people to those who have tasted the elixir of their presence. These exceptional people are the best humanity can offer. They easily outshine the models of the catwalk, whose souls have perished in the pit of materialism and self-illusion. Augmenting your beauty simply means caring for these three totem principles that many of us know about: the spirit, the body, and the mind. It doesn't take much effort to be beautiful when you already possess it. The following are some useful tips on how to vibrationally allow the law of magnetic attraction to permeate your lifestyle. 1. Books and meditation workshops are your best friend. Level up what is in your orbit and rack up more beauty skills with enlightened discussions. Remember, intelligence is attractive and attractiveness is one of your many superpowers. 2. Watch stand-up comedy. You will develop your sense of humor. Wit is a rare and valued commodity. Oftentimes just being you and finding humor in many situations will magnetically draw people to you. 3. Maintain a health-conscious lifestyle, but allow for moments of frivolity. A happy, balanced lifestyle is attractive in all genres of life. 4. Maintain a hygienic mindset. Remember, cleanliness is godliness, not next to godliness. When someone is welcomed into your home and finds it smelling of freshness, clean and calm, they will often want to return to be in that space with you time and time again. 5. Dress to impress 24/7. You probably had one of those moments. There you were, sporting your homeless look at the mall. Then you run into your boss or a beautiful stranger or someone you know. Regrets, I know. Say this with me: never again. One more time. Never again. Take time to make yourself look great for you. 6. Listening with intent. The most stimulating conversations I've ever had were the ones where I listened to listen, not to fix or to judge. Try to avoid monopolizing conversations, rather than asking too many questions. The reason we have two ears and one mouth is because God intended us to listen more and talk less. It would be better to be known among friends as, "Isn't your best friend a great listener?" instead of, "I couldn't get a word in edgewise." 7. Finally, think sexy and feel sexy. You are what you think yourself to be. Your body follows what the mind dictates. Make yourself to someone you wish to know as being beautiful and attractive. Be the only person they can think of. The only person in the room. The central focus of your mind and theirs. Then you will magnetically attract them to you, and like my dog Snoop, they will never stray from your side, because they are gravitationally in your orbit and can't resist the law of magnetic attraction. In conclusion, you've got this precious soul. So, get out there and magnetically attract the desires of your soul. Remember, you can be beautiful and attractive without the cosmetic entrapments and physical scalpels that cut a deep slice into your spiritual superpowers. The real key to magnetic attraction is doubling down on what you know to be your most awesome superpower. Look in the mirror today and say to yourself, "I am amazing. I am sexy. I am beautiful or handsome. I am awesome." Repeat these and many other affirmational mantras to gain momentum and ingrain the positive mindset of the law of magnetic attraction. Thank you for joining us today and listening to Gravitational Orbits Meditation Moment. We hope we have taken your mind out of neutral and engaged it into hyperdrive. Enjoy being magnetically attractive.